It's a little chilly this morning. Bella has her sweater on, and then she's going to go out and watch some birds. All the birds this morning in the bird feeder. They're all getting their breakfast. Look at them all. They're just sitting there. Oh, they're so happy. They're so happy this morning. Whoa, look at them all eating. I want to scare them away. Now my birds are so finicky. They only like sunflower seeds. They don't like the bird feed. So when I buy them just the plain old wild bird feed, they throw all the little seeds on the floor and just keep the sunflower seeds. So finally I got smart cleaning up the mess. I said I'm only going to buy them the sunflower seeds. It's more costly. For a 5-pound bag, it's almost $6, but at least I don't have to clean up the mess. And look at them all going to town. They are just having the best time here. And then every once in a while, what happens is there is a big squirrel that comes in and messes everything up. This is why my birds don't have any food in their bird feeder. Because, oh, now he sees me. Whoops. He's gone. Say good morning, Bella. Say good morning. Right, Bella? What do you think? Bella, what are the birds doing? The birds, she's on cat patrol. There's a couple neighbor cats that come around here, and she is on cat patrol. She says, yep, I'm on cat patrol. Yep. She is very busy. She's having a good day here. Yep. Oh, she spots a cat. Oh my goodness. She's having a good day, that Bella. Yep.